For the week ending June 6, 2014, we are taking a quick look at the price of gold and silver. Gold closed ending the week at $1,252.30 and silver ended at $19.01. Gold continued its weak momentum for the sixth straight trading session, hitting a 10-month low in the domestic bullion market due to a reduced lack of buying support. Silver continues to fall back after a brief rebound on the back of weak industrial demand. Next week, expect any rallies in gold and silver to be capped by traders looking to sell at higher levels. Silver has fallen below key price support and is now anticipated to test $18.23. If silver support is broken with high volume at the $18 range, a $15 price range for silver is quite possible. The American nightmare continues. The U.S. dollar is getting weaker. U.S. debt is still spiraling out of control, while the Federal Reserve is like a trillion-dollar drug addict. Remember, gold is likely to hit 2000 and silver in the $50 range by 2016. Don't forget to use dollar cost averaging for gold and silver. This will minimize your investment risk. Good luck in your gold and silver investing, and enjoy the short-term low prices.